Let's now study the categorization of the fuel on the basis of their physical state. Here the fuels are divided as solid fuels, for example firewood, charcoal, coal. Then the liquid fuels like kerosene, petrol and diesel. And then we have gaseous fuels like LPG and CNG. Let us study some more examples of these types of fuels. Solid fuels. Solid fuel, wood. Then we have cow dung cakes, we have charcoal and we have coal. These are all solid fuels. These solid fuels like wood and cow dung cakes, they are used in this manner generally in villages to cook food. This is how the food is cooked in the villages using cow dung cakes and wood. Then we have here charcoal and coal. They are both used in cooking for cooking purposes as well as for generating heat on larger scale in big factories. These are all what? Solid fuels. Then we have examples of liquid fuels. Liquid fuels, you can see it is kerosene here, we have diesel here, we have petrol, then we have ethanol. It is a liquid and a very good fuel, and we have hydrogen gas in the liquid form as a fuel. These are all fuels in the liquid form which are used. An example here, kerosene used in lanterns to light the lanterns, and it gives us light energy. Then petrol and diesel are used in vehicles. Ethanol is also used, a highly efficient fuel. So these are all what? Liquid fuels. Now have a look at the gaseous fuels. Gaseous fuels here, see this is a filling station, and on this filling station it is written CNG. CNG means compressed natural gas. The natural gas that we obtain from within the earth, that is compressed and it is used as a fuel in vehicles, buses or autos, taxis. They are all filled with this compressed natural gas and they run on this. Generally we have seen that the vehicles run on diesel or petrol, but this is another fuel which is used in these vehicles, and this fuel is very efficient as well as it is non-polluting. It does not pollute the air. Then we have fuel which we use at home for cooking purpose. This fuel is LPG, liquid petroleum gas. Again, this is natural gas, a product of natural gas which we get from the earth, and it is liquefied and filled in the cylinders, and then we use this fuel in our home for cooking purposes. A very efficient fuel and very easy to store and to use. So these are two gaseous fuels that we use in our homes.